Hai and Assalamualaikum. Hari ini kita orang akan bentangkan tentang case study satu cloud computing. So, ahli kumpulan dia ialah Nur Syazwani, Siti Farhanim dan Pavitra. So, next. Okay, untuk next slide ni untuk content presentation ni. First, kami akan terangkan tentang apa itu cloud computing and benefit cloud computing, virtualization dan 5 benefit untuk virtualization, and kita akan describe apa tu design concept of Amazon Web Service ni. Then kita akan bincangkan tentang root user and IAM credentials in Amazon Web Service. Then kita akan find out how to perform creation of root user and IAM credential in AWS. Okay, untuk slide ini saya akan terangkan untuk apa itu cloud computing dan example bagi cloud computing ni. Okay, untuk cloud computing ni ialah on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power without direct active management by the user. The term is general used to describe data center available to many users over the internet. Okey, untuk example cloud computing ni ada 3, iaitu IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. Untuk yang main dia IaaS, okey. Untuk second PaaS dan third SaaS. Okey. So next. Okey, sekarang saya akan terangkan untuk benefit of cloud computing. Benefits ni ada 5, iaitu reduce IT cost, scalability, business continuity, collaboration efficiency, flexibility of work practice. So, untuk next slide, Pavitra akan terangkan tentang apa itu virtualization, yang benefit untuk virtualization and design concept. Dan seterusnya, Farah akan sambung. Okey, terima kasih.
Hi madam, my name is Pavitra and now I will present about virtualization in cloud computing. Virtualization is the creation of virtual servers, infrastructures, devices, and computing resources. Virtualization changes the hardware-software relations and is one of the foundational elements of cloud computing technology that helps utilize the capabilities of cloud computing to the full. Next, 5 benefits of virtualization in a cloud environment. First, desktop virtualization. Second, administrative virtualization. Third, applications virtualization. Fourth, storage virtualization. And fifth, OS virtualization. Next, design concept of Amazon Web Services infrastructure to support cloud computing. AWS Global Infrastructure. The AWS Global Infrastructure consists of multiple geographical locations which are called regions. AWS regions are divided up in availability zone which consists of one or more physically separate data centers. These regions and availability zone provide a way to build highly available, fault-tolerant and scalable infrastructure. Next, foundation service. Amazon Web Services defines 2 service layers a bit more loosely than the standard IaaS and PaaS models. AWS Foundation Services is the underlying layer of AWS service, which includes all of the LaaS delivered that AWS provides, as well as some services that fall securely into the PaaS and even SaaS layer of cloud computing. AWS Foundation Service can be divided into the following functional group, which is network services and compute service storage services, security and identity services, and end up using applications. Next, platform services. Platform services remove the need of organization to manage the underlying infrastructure, which usually hardware and operating system. It is allow user to focus on the development and management of the applications. This helps user be more efficient about resources procurement, capacity planning, software maintenance and patching, or any of other undifferentiatedly heavy lifting involved in running your applications. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hai, saya akan teruskan dengan slide seterusnya. Root user and IAM credentials in Amazon Web Service. The root user is created when the AWS is created. The credentials of the account owner allow full access to all resources in the account, while IAM credentials can securely control access to AWS service and resources for users in AWS. For example, if it requires administrator level permissions, we create an IAM user, grant that user full access, and use those credentials to interact with AWS. Okay, slide seterusnya, how to perform creation of root user and IAM credentials in AWS. Okay, untuk root user, you can sign in as the root user using the email address and password that you use to create the account. Second, you can create, rotate, disable or delete access key IDs, and secret access keys for your AWS account. Okay, third, you can also change your root user password. Fourth, anyone who has root user credentials for your AWS account has unrestricted access to all the resources in your account, including billing information. Okay, yang terakhir, it is begin with a single sign-in identity that has complete access to all AWS service and resources in the account. Seterusnya untuk IAM credentials, yang first, use your AWS account ID or account alias, your IAM username and your password to sign in the IAM console. Second, in the navigation bar on the upper right, choose your username and then choose my security credentials. Yang ketiga, expand the access key ID and access key secret access key section. To delete your access key, choose delete. Seterusnya, when you use the AWS Management Console, you must deactivate your key before deleting it. Okay, yang terakhir pula, AWS recommend that before you do this, you first deactivate the key and test that it is no longer in use. Okay, itu saya daripada kami. Sekian, terima kasih.
That's all from us. Hope you like and enjoy this presentation. Bye!